The Earth is a giant ball, so why does it look completely flat when you're standing on it? You can look in every direction and see a perfectly straight horizon. No curve, no edge, just flat ground stretching endlessly. Think about your everyday experience. Whether you're walking on a road, standing in a field, or staring out at the ocean, everything looks level. It never feels like you're standing on something curved. So, if the Earth is actually a massive sphere, why can't we see that curve? Why does something so round appear so flat from where we are? The reason isn't that your eyes are wrong, it's that the Earth is unbelievably big. And that scale changes everything about how we see it. Imagine standing on a sphere so enormous that your entire city fits on just a tiny patch of it. From your perspective, that small area would look completely flat. In fact, the Earth has a radius of about 6,371 kilometers. That means its surface curves very, very slowly over long distances. Over just a few kilometers, the drop caused by that curvature is so tiny that your eyes can't detect it. To you, it looks perfectly straight. It's like an ant walking on a giant ball. The ball is curved, but the ant's tiny viewpoint makes the surface feel flat. There's also your field of view. You can only see a small portion of the Earth at any moment, not the whole sphere. Because you're so close to the surface, everything around you appears level. Your brain naturally interprets this limited view as flat. Perspective adds another illusion. As objects get farther away, they seem to shrink and fade into the horizon, reinforcing the idea of a flat surface. But the higher you go, the more things begin to change. Your viewpoint expands, and the hidden curve slowly starts to reveal itself. From an airplane window, especially at high altitude, the horizon begins to show a slight bend. It's subtle, but it's there. And from space, the illusion completely disappears. Astronauts see the Earth as a clear, curved sphere floating in darkness. This reveals something deeper about how we see the world. What looks obvious at one scale can be completely different at another. On a human scale, the Earth feels flat, but on a planetary scale, it's undeniably round. Both views are technically true, it just depends on how much of the Earth you can see at once. So the next time you're looking out at a flat horizon, remember, you're actually standing on a giant sphere. The Earth looks flat not because it is, but because you're only seeing a tiny piece of something enormous. Like, subscribe, and check the description for more.